Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, in last class, we all have seen a place how computer use. So, in today also, in this video, we all are going to learn more about how computers uses at some places. Okay. Now students will discuss true and false of each of the following statements. Computer can be used to complete the school homework. True or false? No, false. Computer can be used to play games. True. Computer can be used to draw pictures. True. Computer can help finding the meaning of new words. Yes, already I have told you in the last class. True, very good. So now we all have learned about computer used at home. So now we are going to learn new thing, that is computer used at school. How computer used at school. Of computers at school. So you all have seen our teachers, our school admin office. They are using computer for doing the work. So computer used at school for to prepare timetables, for typing circulars and schedules, to draw and color pictures as you all are using in computer lab, to keep library records of book. If you want to bring some book from the library, then the book record will kept in the computer. Teachers can use computer while teaching the students. Teachers can use computer for making test papers and report cards. Computers are used in schools. The first, computer can be used to prepare timetable as I shown in the last picture. Teachers can use computer for typing circulars and schedule. In Flint, you all are getting the homework messages that are done through the computers. We can draw and color pictures on computer. You all have to read along with me. Computers are used in library to keep the records of books. Teachers can use computer while teaching the students. And teachers can use computer for making test papers and report cards. You can see the pictures. Timetable for making circular, for drawing pictures, for library records, for teaching to students and making report cards. Now I will show you an animation video for you all. How you will make to understand very clearly.
Uses of a computer in schools. Have you seen a computer in your school? You may find computers in the computer lab, the library, office rooms, staff rooms, and in your classroom. Do you know why computers are used in your school? Let's take a look at the different ways in which computers can be used in schools. Sarah goes to the school library and asks for her favorite story book. The librarian searches for the book on her computer and says,
Sarah, you'll find that book on the fourth shelf on the left side.
Sarah gets surprised and asks,
Ma'am, how did you find it using your computer?
Then the librarian replies,
We keep the details of all the books in the computer. We search for books using those details.
Sarah goes to her teacher and asks,
Sir, what do you use a computer for?
Her teacher replies,
Sarah, I use my computer to prepare timetables, test papers, and report cards. I also sometimes use the computer while teaching.
Sarah then thanks him and thinks,
What do students do with computers at school? Yes, we draw and color pictures on a computer.
Sarah now knows about the different uses of computers in schools and shares it with her friends. The librarian uses a computer to keep details of books. The teacher uses a computer to teach in classroom, prepare timetables, and to make test papers and report cards. And students use computers to draw and color pictures. You have learned the different uses of a computer in schools. Now, make 3 groups with your classmates and ask each group to demonstrate different uses of computer in schools.
Now students, I know you all have went to the hospitals. So you all have seen computers are also there at hospitals. So we will see what is the uses of computer at hospitals. Doctors to perform operations. If doctor want to do something with computer, they do with the computers at hospitals. Then it's used for eye testing. If your eye has problem, then we use computer also. Then to keep a record of all patients in a hospital. If I am a patient of some hospital, then I will use computer. Then after use for preparing and printing medical reports. If in computer use at hospital, we take a printout of the medical reports or any medical things that we can take a printout in a computers. Now we'll see page number 12 from course book. How computer used at hospital, you all have to read along with me. Computers can be used to perform operations by doctors. Computer can be used for eye testing. Computers can use to keep a record of all the patients in hospitals. Computer can be used to diagnose a patient's illness. For example, a computer can be used to record and monitors of a person's heartbeat. Diagnosis means computer can check our health, if we are sick or not. They can monitor our heartbeats, pulse. Computer can use for preparing and printing medical report. Like teachers print out your timetable. Like that in hospital we can print out the medical report. So before we are going further, you all have to look about the different type of tickets. You all have seen bills, shop bills, railway bills and air tickets. So now we are going to see the things. Okay. Now students, you all have to answer me. The first statement I want to ask you, true or false. You can draw or paint on a computer? True. You cannot play on computer? False. Teachers uses computer for smartboard teaching? True. Computer can be used to search information. Correct. True. So now we are going to learn how computer used at railway station and airport. In railway station and airport, you all know computers are used to make tickets, to keep the record of passengers, or we can see where our train departed or our train arrival. So you can see on the course book page number 13. Computer can be used for booking tickets. Computer can be used to know arrival and departure. Arrival and departure means where from train starts and where from our train stops. And flights also. Computer can be used to keep record of all the passenger. If we are going Surat to Delhi, then we are passenger. Computer keeps our record that once one passenger gone on this date from Surat to Delhi. So now what you all have to do, you all have to keep a record. You all have to see the bills and tickets at your home of restaurants, air tickets and railway tickets. And then after you all have to collect and you all have to show me in a next class. Okay? From application book, page number 4, worksheet 2.2, you all have to do. Look at the pictures carefully. Find out the purpose for which computers are used at this place. There are 3 pictures in this worksheet. You all have to see the picture carefully and why computers are used at this place. You all have to write in page number 5 in a short or brief, whatever you all have seen in the picture, and I will discuss with you in the next class. I hope you all have understood the concept today I taught you. So you all have to refer Mypedia integrated app for learning. If from app you can use textbook, that is course book and application book. Be safe students, stay home, bye.